Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find comments and watch history on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Here you will find comments and watch history, just click on it, and as you see here you will find comments and watch history. You will find watch history and your comments history. And that's how to find comments and watch history on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it for today. Today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching till the end. And see you in the next video.